Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Disney Plus application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application from Microsoft Store for Disney Plus, you will need to install the web browser version. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button and using your credentials. However, in order to install the application, you can directly click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and then hover over to apps. You will then find install this site as an app option within your Edge browser. If you are using your Chrome browser, then you will need to hover over to save and share and then choose the same option which says install as an app or the create shortcut option. Once you click on this, you will be allowed to rename your application and also edit the app icon. After making your desired changes, click on the install button and now this will open up the Disney Plus application within its own separate browser window. Make sure to choose create desktop shortcut and then tap on allow button, and now this will create a shortcut for the Disney Plus application on your desktop right away. You can now double click on this to directly access Disney Plus from your desktop, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Disney Plus application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.